All right, you guys, this is Angel from God Given Curls. If you would like to see how this blow dryer works, stay tuned after this intro. And if you're new here, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell so you'll be notified of any upcoming videos. All right, you guys, this is the double shot Drybar brush blow dryer. And this combines the hot air of a blow dryer and the structure of a round brush to create a smooth, shiny blowout with tons of volume. This also makes blow drying a breeze. It also helps seal the cuticle for smoother, shinier, frizz-free hair. And the bristles grip hair to detangle and smooth strands, while the oval-shaped barrel provides added volume. And of course, I'm going to start with my Silk Elements Heat Protectant. And I have my hair in 4 sections, but I'm also going to make them a little smaller just so it can make the blow drying process a little easier. Alright, as you can see, the blow dryer is not getting stuck in my hair. I don't know if you guys have used other blow dryers, but normally when it gets to the end, it gets stuck, but this is just running smoothly through my hair. I just want to say I love this blow dryer. I purchased it at Ulta for $155, I do believe. This is my favorite blow dryer now. It makes me want to blow dry my hair every day. But of course, I don't want heat damage on my hair. All right, some people say that this shortened their blow drying process. I'm not really sure if it was faster for me, but it was a lot less stressful. I actually was kind of looking forward to blowing drying my hair, and normally when I blow dry my hair, I hate that process. I like the flat iron process better. All right, now that it's all done, I decided to put some clips in here of how I do my hair after it's blown out, because I know some people wonder, like, what do you do after this if you don't flat iron it? All right, this night I decided to use my shea butter mix. If you would like me to do a video on that, I will. This has different oils in it, and it's really moisturizing to the hair. I 2-strand twisted my hair, and I am just wrapping it around in a bantu knot, and I'm sealing it with a rubber band. Okay, this is the next day, and I'm just taking out the bantu knot and the twist. All right, so if you want, you can just leave it like this and go about your day, or you can style it. I think later on, which I didn't record this part, but I just kind of put it halfway up in a ponytail and the rest down, and it was just a cute style. You can put it in pigtails, you can do whatever you want after this, or you can just leave it out. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you would like me to show you how I do my shea butter mix, then go ahead and comment down below and I'll do a video on it. Thank you. Bye.